Hey guys, it's Christmas. I got some new parts, so I'm gonna do a bike check. Up the front, ODI long neck grips, Odyssey power ends, Sputnik Skyline bars, 8.25 by 28.5, Shadow top load stem, Primo headset, Fly Agua forks, nitrous double shot front wheel, Shadow bolts, Fit FAF 20 by 2.25 white wall, Sputnik regulator frame 20.5, nitrous thruster cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Shadow chain, Kink static 28 sprocket, I think it's a Kink bottom bracket. Got Federal Slim seat post, Shadow Thermalite. No, that's the Federal seat post clamp. And the Stolen Thermalite seat post and Demolition DFAT seat. Fit FAF 20 by 2.3 white wall in the back. Shadow stun complete wheel. The Shadow Raptor hub guard there, and 2 salt pegs. And here's what the hub sounds like. That it falls over on me. That's it. And I also got a new camera, so I'll be doing more videos more often, hopefully. I'm going to Rye Friday. I'll make an edit out of that. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye.